Today I am going to tell you about Bill Gates, who founded the world's largest software business, Microsoft. He became one of the richest men and one of the biggest philanthropists in the world. Welcome to our YouTube channel Backpack. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon to see more videos like this. Who is Bill Gates? Entrepreneur and businessman, Bill Gates and his business partner Paul Allen founded and built the world's largest software business, Microsoft, through technological innovation, keen business strategy, and aggressive business tactics. In the process, Gates became one of the richest men in the world. In February 2014, Gates announced that he was stepping down as Microsoft's chairman to focus on charitable work at his foundation, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Early life. Bill Gates was born in 1955 in Seattle, Washington. Gates grew up in an upper middle class family with his older sister Christiane and younger sister Libby. Their father, William H. Gates, was a law student. The Gates family atmosphere was warm and close, and all three children were encouraged to be competitive and strive for excellence. Gates showed early signs of competitiveness when he coordinated family athletic games at their summer house. He also relished in playing board games and excelled at Monopoly. Gates had a very close relationship with his mother, Mary, who after a brief career as a teacher devoted her time to helping raise the children and working on civic affairs and with charities. Bill Gates' education. Bill Gates was a voracious reader as a child, spending many hours poring over reference books such as the Encyclopedia. Around the age of 11 or 12, Gates' parents began to have concerns about his behavior. He was doing well in school, but he seemed bored and withdrawn at times, and his parents worried he might become a loner. Though they were strong believers in public education, when Gates turned 13, his parents enrolled him at Seattle's exclusive preparatory Lakeside School. He blossomed in nearly all his subjects, excelling in math and science, but also doing very well in drama and English. While at Lakeside School, a Seattle computer company offered to provide computer time for the students, Gates became entranced with what a computer could do and spent much of his free time working on the terminal. Bill Gates graduated from Lakeside in 1973. He scored 1590 out of 1600 on the college SAT test. Did Bill Gates go to college? Bill Gates enrolled at Harvard University in the fall of 1973, originally thinking of a career in law. Much to his parents' dismay, Gates dropped out of college in 1975 to pursue his business, Microsoft, with partner Allen. Gates spent most of his time in the computer lab than in class. He did not really have a study regimen. He got by on a few hours of sleep, crammed for a test, and passed with reasonable grades. Gates met Allen, who was 2 years his senior, in high school at Lakeside School. The pair became fast friends, bonding over their common enthusiasm for computers, even though they were very different people. Allen was more reserved and shy. Gates was feisty and at times combative. This way, they soon founded Microsoft. The rivalry between Bill Gates and Steve Jobs. Though their rivalry is legend, Microsoft and Apple shared most of their early innovations. In 1981, Apple, at that time led by Steve Jobs, invited Microsoft to help develop software for Macintosh computers. Gates quickly recognized this collaboration as a threat for Microsoft overall, and so their rivalry began. Bill Gates' wife and children. In 1994, Bill Gates married Melinda French and they have 3 children, Jennifer, Rory and Phoebe. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. In 1994, Bill and Melinda established the William H. Gates Foundation, which was dedicated to supporting education, world health, and investment in low-income communities around the world. The organization also tackles domestic issues such as helping students in United States to become college ready. He and his wife Melinda have vowed to donate 95% of their wealth to charity. Awards. Bill Gates has received numerous awards for his philanthropic work. Time magazine named Gates one of the most influential people of the 20th century. The magazine also named Gates and his wife Melinda as the 2005 Persons of the Year. Other than all this, Bill Gates likes spending quality time with his family and playing sports. He also really likes reading books. If you enjoyed our video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe and press the bell icon to see more videos like this.